Hello, I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew.
We are the Crafty Lumberjacks, and this is our cat, Teddy Kruger. We are so excited to be here for Cricut today, chatting all about the newest generation of cutting machines, the Cricut Explorer 4 and the Cricut Maker 4.
They just released two fresh new modern colors, Sage and Seashell, for both the Explorer 4 and the Cricut Maker 4.
Sage and Seashell. It's a mouthful. That's hard to say.
I'm surprised I did it.
Sage and Seashell.
Sage and Seashell.
We just got our hands on the Cricut Maker 4 in the Sage color, which is only available at Michael's, and we are obsessed.
I love it.
In this video, we're gonna share about all the new upgrades. We're also gonna do an unboxing and show you exactly what's in the Essential Bundle box. It's a lot to say.
Yes, which is what we have here.
And we're also gonna give our honest review.
I was gonna say that. Also, we're gonna let you know if you already have a Cricut, if we think it's worth getting the upgrade.
Now, what's so great about the Cricuts are that they're not just for crafters, they're for everyone. If you don't know what they are, they're a smart cutting machine, which means it can cut out a whole bunch of different materials.
Yes, you know, we always say it's a crafter's best friend. It's the assistant you never knew you needed. If you love the holidays, if you like to make handmade gifts, if you're a teacher, or you just want help crafting, this machine is for you. If you're someone like us where technology may feel a little daunting, don't worry, the Cricut is so user-friendly. So whether you're very good with technology or not so much, Cricut holds your hand the whole time, explaining everything you need to do step by step, and it really is user-friendly.
Yes, it comes with its own design software called Design Space, where you can log in, you can choose up to thousands and hundreds and billions of images, and it's really just like a drag and drop. Essentially.
Yes. What's really great too is they have their own community. So you can make projects that other crafters have made, or you can upload your own and share them.
All right, let's dive in. Let's show you everything that the Cricut Maker 4 Essential Bundle box comes with.
It's easier to do than to say, we promise.
Seriously.
As you can see, everything is packaged nicely, keeping your machine safe. It comes with a quick start guide giving you all the instructions you need, plus materials to make up to 10 projects.
But because we have the Essential Bundles box, we have so much more.
It comes with a handful of tools, weeders, scrapers, spatula, scoring stylus and pens, power adapter or power cord, a USB.
Then in our bundle box, we have a whole bunch of additional materials. Sheets of vinyl, smart vinyl, cardstock, transfer tape, smart iron-on, one light grip mat. This is so great because you can really kickstart your creativity right out of the box.
This is a game changer. A lot of people, when they get their Cricut, they don't know what to buy and they overspend. This is a great way to know what you're going to use your machine with. And
what type of projects you like?
Okay, you're probably wondering what sets this machine apart from the last generation.
Yes, and that is that it can cut up to 2 times faster than all of the other previous Cricut machines in the past, and that includes cutting faster on a Cricut mat.
Yes, that is a game changer. With the Cricut 3, it could cut faster using their smart materials, but with the Cricut 4, it can cut faster on a mat or using the smart materials. That is a game changer if you want to craft fast.
Yes, yes. So you can put more of your time into your creativity, your projects, just kind of pumping out your different crafts, which...
Who doesn't want
we like
that?
We like that. Now for our honest review.
Yes.
We are... Oh, okay.
Speechless.
Yes. All right. Now for our honest review.
Yes.
We are really impressed with the speed. When we first made our first project, it was intense. We were
I was shocked.
It is really super
like,
fast.
woo, 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 which I love. Okay, the color. I don't know if I would call this sage green. It's a beautiful color, but it looks more blue to us. But I don't know if I'd call it green.
Yeah.
Gonna be honest.
Sorry about it. Now you're probably wondering, if you already have a Cricut, do you need to advance and get this Cricut? That depends. It depends on your style, your vibe. Some people with tech, they always like the latest and newest gadgets. You know, if you're always getting the new smartphone, I'd say yes. You know, it is an upgrade, just the speed alone and the beautiful colors that it comes in.
Yes, if speed is a factor for your crafting, then yes, I absolutely think it's worth it. If you have an older model and you're still happy with it, I don't know. That's one thing I love about Cricut machines is they're made so well. We have older models that work just as well as the first day we got them. So maybe it's better to wait for a machine that has more upgrades. Thank you, Cricut, for sending us this machine and letting us review it. You know we love a good upgrade.
Yes, if you have any other questions, leave us a comment below. We also have a handful of beginner tutorials that work with older Cricuts and, of course, the newest Cricut here, the Cricut Maker 4. You can check those out. We hope to see you soon. Give us a like, subscribe, and we cannot wait to see all your creative creations. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Teddy. You were a big help. Cat not included.